Good evening, I'm Matt McCall, and I'm running for Congress in the March Republican primary against Lamar Smith. Mr. Smith has been in office for 27 years, and he tells that he's a conservative, but he just simply isn't voting that way. There's a law out there that is not so affectionately called the Veterans Disarmament Act, H.R. 2640, and it says that if you're a veteran and you have any post-traumatic stress syndrome in your file, you're a criminal if you own a firearm. That bill was co-sponsored by Debbie Wasserman Schultz, Rahm Emanuel, and Lamar Smith. I find that to be completely alarming, not just because of the guns, but because you've taken a class of American citizens and you've stripped them of a constitutional right with no due process. If you can do that to them, who's next? What's next? You're next. It's time for a change in America. It's time that we got back to being the country and the party of freedom and opportunity and growth and a lot smaller government. Thank you so much for your time. I'm Matt McCall, and I'm running for U.S. Congress in the March 4th Republican primary. I hope you'll support us. Thanks.